how to do the video loop edit tutorial on Capcut PC. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to do the video loop edit tutorial on Capcut PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, you guys have to just simply import a video in Capcut PC. So over here, I will simply drag and drop a video. Let's say I want to loop this video. So after that, I will just simply choose a smaller version of this video because this is very long. Now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to just simply copy and paste this video over here. And for this video, just simply click on reverse. And then after that, paste this video again over here. And now if you were to play both of these videos, then as you guys can see, that is going to create a perfect loop. So over here, this video is playing. Let's give it some time, and then after that the next video is going to play out. So as you guys can see that it looks pretty nice. And now over here, as you can see that the video has started to get reversed, and once this ends, our video is going to get looped once again. So over here, as you can see, the video is in a perfect loop. So that's basically how you can do the video loop edit tutorial on Capcut PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.